copying or moving data.
Just like in Word, data can be copied and moved from one cell to another in Excel.
Cut, copy and paste data. We can use the cut, copy and paste commands in Microsoft Excel to move or copy entire cell content. When we use the cut command, the content is moved to the new place and removed from its original place.
In the case of the copy command, content is copied to the new place and also exists in its original place.
The paste command is used to paste the copied or cut data. When you move or copy a cell, Excel moves or copies the entire cell contents and cell formatting. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to move or copy. Step 2.
Click on the Cut and Copy command in the Clipboard group on the Home tab to move and copy the contents of the selected cell.
To move cells, click Cut. To copy cells, click Copy. Step 3. Click on the cell where you would like to paste the information. Step 4.
Click on Paste command in the Clipboard group on the Home tab to paste